Let's make this sesame soy chicken. It's so good, my family keep asking me to make it again. And for sure I'm gonna make it for them this week. So I'm using some onion powder, garlic powder to season my chicken, chicken seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. Add a sprinkle of salt and some pepper. Less salt because we're going to use soy sauce, and that is kind of salty. So we're using the whites of 2 eggs. Pour that over your chicken. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and you rub that in really well. Now I'm adding some honey and soy sauce, the low sodium soy sauce. You're trying to go low with the sodium. Get your oil ready. And I have to season my oil. I'm a Jamaican. That's what we do. Now the oil is nice and hot, so we're adding our chicken. And I'm gonna fry these for about 15 minutes. So these are beautifully done. So we're gonna place them on paper towels to soak up some of the grease. Look at that. Wow, golden brown. And we continue to fry. So now our chicken is done frying, and we're gonna get ready to make our sauce. So we're adding honey. So it's a new pot, no oil, just honey. A little more soy sauce. Let's crush garlic with a little piece of crushed ginger. Not too much ginger because that can be a bit too harsh. Just a little hint of ginger. And some onion powder. Because we already have garlic in, so we're not using garlic powder. No, just onion powder, salt, and pepper. And I love crushed pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. I love those. I love spicy things, so that's optional. You don't have to add if you can't take the heat. So you get that together, and once it is rendered down and it is thickened, then you will add your chicken. Yeah, and you make sure every piece is coated. Nice and beautiful. Wow. Look at this dish. No wonder my family keeps asking for it. It was so good. I'm gonna serve this over white rice. Yes, and just to let you know, this is Asian cuisine. A Jamaican cooking Asian cuisine. I may have butchered it in Asian's eye, but you know, I think I did pretty well and it tasted great. The compliments are running in my house. And then we're gonna garnish with sesame seeds, scallion or green onions, as my American people call it. So beautiful. Wow. I love it, and I hope you love it. If you love my video and you love this dish, please let me know in the comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing. Look at that. Wouldn't you like to try this dish? Go ahead, try it. It's just a couple ingredients. I'm sure you already have most of these in your house, in your kitchen. Awesomeness. So beautiful. Remember guys, subscribe before you go. Bye.